Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video we are going to calculate binomial square in assembly language. This is formula: a plus b squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. In R0 I will store a, let it be 5. In R1 I will store b, let it be 7. In R6 I will store 2 to multiply by 2. In R7 I will store temporary results. It will initially be 0. And in R8 I will store result, final result. It will also initially be 0. Then I will move to the new branch, binomial square. Here I will multiply in R7 R0 and R0, and then I will add in R8, R8 and R7. It is a squared. And then I will clear R7, so I will move 0 here. I will multiply R in R7, R1 and R1. And I will also add that R8 and R7 in R8. So it is b squared. After that, I will also clear R7. Then first I will multiply in R7 R0 with R6, and in R6 is 2. And then I will multiply in R7 R7 with R1. And then I will also add in R8 R8 and R7. And let's now compile this code. I will change to decimal sign. So in R1 is 5, in R0 is 5, in R1 is 7. And then first in R7 is a squared, it is 25, it is add in R8, then it is b squared, it is 49, it is also add to R8, and then it is 2 times a times b, it is 17. And the final result is 144. And for a minus b squared, I just need to change here to subtract. And let's now run this code. So in R7 is first a squared, it is 25, it is added. Then it is b squared, it is also added. And now it is 2 times a times b, but now it is subtracted. So final result is 4. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe, and see you next time.